So we'll be talking about how to send picture or in Telegram without getting compression, without the picture getting compression. So the first thing you do is that you will open Telegram. Then after opening Telegram, then you will go to the chat when you want to send a picture. It's like this right now. Then you will click on the icon below. Then you will select the picture you want to send. You can select a lot of picture you want to send. Then after doing that, you can just scroll up. Then you click on this icon, this three dotted icon at top. Then you click on send without compression. Click on send without compression. Then you set the picture. As you can see, the picture is being sent. This picture won't get compressed by Telegram because you have sent it without being compression. So that's how to do it.